Hi, this is Dr. Dimple. This is my video testimonial for the Finance Workshop 2022 with Dr. Bhatiya. Um, the entire workshop was very elaborate. The recorded sessions were enough to understand, like, to understand all the finance part, and like Sir was literally hand holding all of us, right from the basics of finance to the advanced stage of taxation, and how to build a portfolio, and like you name it, and Sir is there to guide you through. I highly recommend everyone, whoever is urging to learn finance as a dentist, and even if you don't know anything, like literally if you are a zero, I can assure you, like after completing the workshop, you will be able to understand your finances well. You will be able to make your own balance sheet. You can make file your own income tax returns, and like basically we can build our own wealth, our own corpus as well. So majorly most of the things so will touch upon on finance. Highly